Hey guys, so I wanted to do an update on my Monstera Esqueleto. I don't think that I've done like a dedicated video for this plant. I'm pretty sure that I've just done shorts because that's mainly what I do on this channel. So anyway, I purchased this plant through Facebook Marketplace. I believe it was under 50 and it had 3 leaves when it came with it. So I should have a picture posted somewhere on this screen right now. So yeah, it wasn't on a moss pole when I got it. It was just on, I think she had it like leaning against the wall. So no real support for it. And it had leaves maybe like maybe like the size of my palm, maybe around that size. So you can see they're a good size right now. So I got it in, what did I say, April 2023. Is right now no, it's not October, it's December 2024, and I've chopped this plant once, and I believe that was last summer. And then I made a couple of cuttings out of it, ended up selling those, but I lowered the vine down into the pot, blah 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 blah, usual stuff. So first I had it in no drainage, and then I needed to add drainage holes because I had it on the moss pole, and the moss pole was just staying, the moss pole was getting dry, and then but the bottom, since it was in no drainage, it was staying too wet. So I put holes into that planter and then left it like that for a while, but it was still on the traditional moss pole that you guys can get, like the closed back ones from Amazon that are like, I think they might be like 20 bucks for a pack of 4 or something like that. So then you just fold them and then put the moss in that for a while. And I had maybe 3 extensions on it. Yeah, 3 extensions, and I didn't want to do a 4th one. So I was trying to figure out, what am I going to do? I ended up letting the pole dry out too much. And then I was just like, well, now what do I do? Because I don't really want to add another extension. But you know what? Before that, I was watering. Okay, here. Before that, I was watering one day and the pole fell. And then I ended up breaking like 3 leaves. It's the top 3 leaves on the left here. So what I did was I placed toothpicks and tape on the base of the bottom part of the leaf, and then just to give it some support. So far they are holding on, and I'm really surprised because that was early November, and it's almost Christmas is next week. So really surprised that held on, but the leaves are still there. They're not even turning colors or anything. I don't know. So I did that, and then what else happened with it? 1 chop, 1 repot. I got tired of the moss pole, and I said, okay, realistically, we're running out of space here. So if I added 1 more of those regular like Amazon poles, the closed back ones, I think it would have been at my ceiling dining table. The plant is on my dining table. And I didn't want to do that because having to water it, I have to take it all the way down and then pour from the top, blah, 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 too much. So I was looking online, and everybody's just like, oh, like my Esqueleto just needs support. So I'm like, okay, well, I'm fine if the leaves stay this size. Like, I'm perfectly fine with that. So hopefully they don't get too much smaller. But what I ended up doing was getting a Coir pole from Amazon. So that one, they still attach the same. I'll show a picture of the exact one that I got. So there's 4 pieces to it, and right now I'm using 3. And I mean, the plan is pretty much still the same. Once I get to that 4th one, I'm going to end up chopping it and then just placing it back in the planter or selling the other part. I don't know. But right now, that's where we're at with it. I did end up repotting it into a planter from not Five Below, Dollar Tree. It's the same one that I have my Red Lux in. And then I wasn't sure if I wanted to use soil or not, but because most of the roots that were there were, I guess, moss roots, I decided to just put it into moss. And I figured it would be okay, but I guess we will see. I would definitely keep you guys posted on that. So let me try to pick it up while I'm attached to this mic. And if it falls, just know I did this for y'all. Oh my goodness. All right. So you see what I'm talking about? So here it is up close. And I think that's about as high as I can get with y'all. Yeah. So here it is. And she looks good. There is a new leaf right there. And then, Lee, move. There's a new leaf right here that's about to come out. I don't know if you guys see it. And then you can see the tape right there. Crazy. So this is how it looks. I'll definitely try to zoom out a little bit, get like a picture or video of it on the table so you guys can see, because I had to pull it forward for the video. It's usually further back, and then there's like two different baccia and a what is that, a bamboo plant on the table. So this is it. I did this last night, so it hasn't really had time to say if it likes it or not, but I think it's gonna be okay, hopefully. If not, if it starts going downhill, I'm just gonna chop it down and do like maybe 2 or 3 leaf cuttings and then just start over pretty much. But yeah, this is it. I absolutely love this plant. It's been pretty easy, to be honest. I'd say it sized up fairly quickly. That and my philodendron pedatum, that one also sized up pretty quickly. So hopefully all this plant needs is some support, but I will definitely keep you guys posted. If you have this plant, let me know how you're growing it. Let me know if you plan on getting it. I know they're still in well, not still, I know they're in big box stores now, but I heard that they're pretty expensive. So if you guys shop on Marketplace, or if you have Facebook, definitely check out Marketplace for plants, because they have them. Everybody has them. Everybody's just, selling cuttings, trying to get some extra money. So yeah, this is my Esqueleto. If you guys have any questions, let me know. If you want to see a particular plant that I have, let me know, and I will discuss that plant with you guys. The next video will probably be my repot of the plants that I ordered for my birthday. Yeah, so a lot of them need to be repotted, because of course you guys know when you ship stuff, they come in like the itty bitty pots, and that's just too much watering. So that'll be my next video. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below, and I will talk to you guys in the comments. All right, bye.